Christine Nunn is a rising star in the world of female bodybuilding and fitness modeling. Born in 1985 in Kansas City, USA, Christine discovered her passion for fitness at the young age of 17 when she began her bodybuilding journey. Despite initially playing soccer, Christine's natural talent and dedication quickly became evident as she transformed her body through intense training and a disciplined lifestyle. Christine's Instagram account, Christine Nunn, boasts an impressive following of over 84,000 fans who are inspired by her dedication to fitness and her ability to make workouts fun again. Her YouTube channel, Gym Devoted, features videos showcasing her impressive physique and sharing her secrets to achieving a lean, muscular beard. In addition to her impressive physical achievements, Christine is also in a relationship with Robert James Martin, a fellow fitness enthusiast. Together, they share their passion for health and wellness, inspiring others to prioritize their well-being and pursue their fitness goals. Christine's success in the world of female bodybuilding is a testament to her hard work, perseverance, and natural talent.